Ironclad Salesforce integration puts the power of digital contracting directly in Salesforce. Business users can launch, approve, track, and search contracts without leaving the CRM they love. Get to sign faster and accelerate your deals by self-service launching contracts from any object. Combine Salesforce data with your Ironclad contract templates to gather all the information necessary to create the contracts your deals need. And you can even preview the contract before your first draft goes to legal. All of this without even opening a new browser window. Once the contract has been submitted, business users can stay in the know with the workflow status easily visible. And if you're an approver, approve the contract from Salesforce with the click of a button to keep your contracts moving at the speed of business. In Ironclad, review and legal approval take place simultaneously to speed up turnaround time while allowing legal to control the contract workflow. Teams can work asynchronously with changes made to the Salesforce deal data automatically updated in the Ironclad workflow. Back in Salesforce, business users are kept up to date on the signature status to stay on top of their deals. Once signed, executed agreements are stored in the Ironclad repository and in Salesforce, so reps can easily access their deals' contracts. And for RevOps and leadership, include contract metadata as part of the powerful Salesforce reports to make contract data actionable. That's the power of digital contracting in Salesforce. Loved by sales, trusted by legal. Get control of your sales contracts with Ironclad Salesforce integration.